Hello guys, welcome back. And today our topic is about, in the previous video we talked about no value and no argument. And today we're going to write a program that with argument and no value. We start with the header file, include our header file, start input and output. And what we said, we write a function that return with argument and no, how do you spell argument, and no return value. Command, and we're going to save this somewhere. Where am I? Okay, I will give it to name argument and argument us. Who cares? And write our function. We declare our function here. We don't, because it doesn't return any value, we give it void and we name it add. And because it has argument and we give argument as integer here, you can we give two integer numbers here, two integer variables. Close with the semicolon, and we go inside the main. And we need two integer variables. We have to declare inside the main int x and y, and we ask the user to type two numbers. Enter number 1. We read it with this scanf %d because it's integer, and oh my god, and ampersand. Don't forget it. At first, type the x, and we do the same thing with the second number with the non-2. I just copy this. You don't need to copy. You have to write and practice. I'm so lazy today. And we change it to the e. Now the user typed two integer numbers, and now it's time to call our function here. Okay, a function, as I mentioned every time, that has three parts. First, the declaration. Function declaration is here. I have my typing. Declaration, and here we have to call that. Okay, it doesn't return any value. We just write the name, and it return arguments. We have to give two arguments, the x and y. It's integer type. Yeah, and now we're going to, and we need to define our function. Here we declared our function. Here we called our function. Oh my god. Function called. And here outside the main, you just define your function. But what your function going to do? Our function is going to add two integer numbers. Okay. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, we need here to add two numbers. Oh, okay, the result, say, we declare int answer here, ans, and ans equal, okay, we will put the value of a and b, a plus b inside the ans, and we will print ans here, print xy here. What the hell I'm doing? Okay, ans equal %d, give a new line here, so looks good. Ans, I hope it works. This is, it was the argument, and we name it also argument. Paragraph master error. Okay, so guys, we have to move this down, cut it and paste it here, and it will work. Okay, this was our third part here. I have to comment this out, should be clear for you. Function define. You define your function, what it's going to do. This will add two numbers. Okay, do I have any orders? Good. Argument. Fine. Enter num1. Okay, our num1 is 5. Num2 is add on 530. Yeah, that's nice. And it doesn't look so nice here. You can give a new line here. Or you can do it like this as well. They should look good. $90, $94. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in the next video. In this video we talked about a function with arguments and no return value. In the next video I'm going to talk about no argument but return value. Okay, see you in the next video.